Now we're going to see question number 9, and what the figure is given. The figure is given here, and what is told, xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents. So xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents at P and Q to the circle with center O, and another tangent AB with the point of contact C. That means AB is a tangent at C, intersecting xy at A and B. You have to prove that angle AOB is 90. You have to show that angle AOB is 90, this angle 90. So I've drawn the figure and I've written the given. A circle with center O. First, there is a circle. Then xy is a tangent at P. X dash y dash is a tangent at Q. And xy is parallel to x dash y dash. And there is another tangent. AB is a tangent at C. To prove what, angle AOB 90. Now you have to show angle AOB 90. Now for this we need construction. We'll join OC. We'll join OC and we'll draw a line MO parallel to xy and x dash y dash at O. At O we are drawing MO parallel to both the lines. Okay, now since we are going to show angle AOB 90, on drawing the construction OC, on joining OC, this angle AOB is divided into two parts. We can mark it angle 1 and 2, and we'll try to show 1 plus 2, 90. Okay, now we can mark this angle as 3 and 4. And again, mark this angle as 5 and 6. This one is O. Okay, first we'll show that POQ is a straight line. POQ is a straight line. Now we have only two parallel tangents. This POQ is anywhere it is not given that it is a diameter. Okay, if it was a diameter, then it would be a straight line, but here it is not given a diameter. So first we have to show that POQ is a straight line. So we'll try to show first POQ is a straight line. Again, we'll take this one as 7 and 8. This angle will be 90. We can mark it 7. And this angle also will be 90. We can mark it 8. Okay, if you have written up to this, just raise a hand. Okay, if you have written up to this, just raise a hand. Okay, fine. I'm rubbing the given and to prove. Okay, proof. Okay, first we'll show that the line POQ is a straight line. The line POQ is a straight line. We are just joining OP and OQ. Okay, we'll try to show that POQ is a straight line. Okay, now first we know that MO is parallel to XY by construction, so angle 5 will be equal to angle 7. So angle 5 will be equal to angle 7, alternate angles. Okay, now we know that angle 7 is 90. So instead of 7, I can write 90. Why? Because tangent is, angle 7 will be 90. Why? Because tangent and PO is a radius, XY is a tangent, and OP is a radius. So OP is a radius at the point of contact of a tangent. So angle 7 will be 90. We know that angle 7 will be 90. So instead of 7, we can put 90 and we can write tangent perpendicular to radius. We can mark it 1. Then again, say MO is parallel to X dash Y dash also. MO parallel to X dash Y dash also by construction. So therefore, what you can take, angle 6 equal to angle 8, alternate angles. MO is parallel to X dash Y dash. So angle 6 and 8 will be alternate angles, and if the lines are parallel, alternate angles are equal. But again, angle 8 will be 90. Why? Because OQ is a tangent at Q. OQ is a radius at Q, and X dash Y dash is a tangent at Q, and OQ is a radius at Q. So angle 8 will be 90. We know that angle 8 will be 90. Why? Tangent is perpendicular to radius. Mark it 2. Okay, so we got 5 and 6. 5 is also 90, 6 is also 90. Now we'll try to show that POQ is a straight line. To show that POQ is a straight line, we have to show 5 plus 6, 180. Now, if you add these two equations, what we'll get, angle 5 plus angle 6 equal to 90 plus 90. When we add the two equations, we add the left hand side together and we add the right hand side together. So we are getting angle 5 plus 6 equal to 180. And since 5 plus 6 is 180, POQ is a straight line. So therefore, POQ is a straight line. And we can mark it 3. Okay, if you're done, you can raise your hand because I need space for this. Okay, I'm rubbing the first part. Okay, now see, we have to show this angle AOB 90. To show AOB 90, we'll show 1 plus 2, 90. If you can show angle 1 plus 2, 90, then AOB will be 90. So we'll try to show that. Okay, now what you can do is, now look, from A, we have two tangents. AP and AC are two tangents from the same external point A. So AP and AC are two tangents from the same external point A. So they will subtend equal angle at the center. They will subtend equal angle at the center. They will subtend equal at the they will subtend equal angle at the center. AP and AC will subtend equal angle at the center. That means we can take them equal. Angle 1 will be equal to angle 3. Again, same way, BC and BQ are two tangents from the same external point, so they will subtend equal angle at the center. So BQ is subtending angle 4, BC is subtending angle 2, so angle 2 and 4 will be equal. We'll mark this one 4 and 5. The reason is tangents from the same external point are equal. Tangents from same external point subtends tangent from the same external point, same tangents from same external point to the circle subtends equal angle at the center. Tangents from same external point to the circle subtends equal angle at the center. Therefore, 1 and 3 will be equal, and 2 and 4 will be equal. Both the angle will subtend equal angle at the center. Both the tangent will subtend equal angle at the center. Okay, now, after showing this, what are you going to do? We have already shown that POQ is a straight line. POQ is a straight line, and over the straight line, if you have some angles, we can take the sum equal to 180. So over the straight line POQ, we have angle 3, angle 1, angle 2, angle 4. So we can take the sum of all these angles equal to 180. So take it. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4. If you add all the angles, it will be equal to 180. Why? Since POQ is a straight line. We have shown in 3, so from 3. Okay, now what you can do is we need angle 1 and 2 only, so we can replace this 3 and 4. 1 plus 2 is what? 1 plus 2 is AOB. So instead of 1 plus 2, I can write angle AOB. And instead of 3 and 4, we don't need 3 and 4. Instead of 3, I can write 1. Instead of 4 also, I can write 2 from 4 and 5. Now again, instead of this 1 plus 2, I can write angle AOB. So I'm getting 2 angle AOB. Hello. अच्छा 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 ठीक है गभर्नमेंट खुला से अच्छा अच्छा आइए so from 2 angle AOB we can find AOB, so it will be 180 by 2, so we are getting AOB 90. And that is what you're asked to prove. Okay, if you're done, just raise your hand. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next question. Okay, prove that angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line joining the point to the point of line segment joining the point of contact to the center. Prove that angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact at the center. Say PB and PA and PB are two tangents from the same external point. And in this question, what you have to show? The angle between the two tangents. The angle between the two tangents is this. You have to show this angle is supplementary to, from an external point, is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact to the center. Now, if we join the point of contact to the center, point of contact to the center, if we join the point of contact of each of the tangent to the center, then you're getting an angle, this angle. You have to show that the angle between the two tangent and the angle that is formed by joining the point of contact with the center is supplementary. That means you have to show these two angles supplementary. Right? Okay. Prove that the angle, I'm showing you the question once again. Prove that the angle between the two tangent, is this, that is angle P, drawn from an external point to the circle is supplementary. That angle is supplementary to what? To the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact to the point of contact at the center. That means the angle that is formed by joining the point of contact to the center. Line segment joining the point of contact to the center. That angle is this. That is angle O. And you have to show that these two angles are supplementary. You have to show that these two angles are. Okay, just what? Don't do this. Sometimes I forget to stop the annotation. So you have to show that these two angles are supplementary. That means angle P and angle O are supplementary. That means you have to show their sum equal to 180. When you have to show two angles supplementary means you have to show their sum equal to 180. That means we'll show angle P plus angle O equal to 180. Okay, given is a circle with center O, PA and PB are tangent at A and B. A tangent from same external point P. P and PB are tangents from the same external point P. Now to prove what? Angle P plus angle O is equal to supplement angle P and O supplementary means angle P plus angle O equal to 180. You have to show that angle P and O are supplementary. That means you have to show what angle P plus angle O equal to 180. Okay, proof. Now how to prove? Okay, we know what tangent and radius are perpendicular to each other. We know that this is 90. And again, tangent and radius will be perpendicular to each other. So these two are both 90 each. So we know that they are 90. So first we'll take that. Angle A equal to 90. Angle B also equal to 90. We can mark it 1 and 2. Why? Tangent is perpendicular to radius. Same reason for both. Okay, now after showing angle A and B 90 each, now we know that AOBP is a quadrilateral. AOBP is a quadrilateral. AOBP is a quadrilateral. And if it is a quadrilateral, we can take the sum of the four angles equal to 360. Now, in quadrilateral AOBP, we can take sum of the four angles equal to what? 360. AOBP is a quadrilateral, so we can take sum of all the angles of the quadrilateral equal to 360. Now, again, what you can take angle A plus angle O plus angle B plus angle P equal to 180, not 180, 360. Why? Sum of angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Okay, but we know angle A and B are 90 each, so we can put it. Now we can just solve it. 90, 90 is 180. Okay, I'm rubbing the first two lines. Now, just solve this. We're going to find angle P plus angle O is equal to 180. So P and O, leave it. So we can arrange it P plus angle O, and we can leave it, and we can take 180 to the other side. So minus 180. Okay, we are putting the values from 1 and 2. So on the side, you can write from 1 and 2. Instead of, not here. Instead of A, we have put 90. Instead of B, also we put 90. So we have put the values from 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2. Okay, then we're going to find O, P plus O. So leave P plus O and take this 180 to the other side. So P plus O will be equal to how much? 180. And that is what your answer shows.